Hi, Heather from County Mayo, west of Ireland. I'm making a couple of A-frames here. I want to make some staging in my polytunnel to take the strawberries next spring, and also some extra space to put my seedlings. I've used 2x3 rough timbers here. I made an angle of 15 degrees on the bottom of the legs and pushed them against the wall, so that's my straight edge. And then I'm just doing it as I go along, making it up as I go along. Hi everyone, I'm going to try and make a A-frame combination of a strawberry rack for next spring, but also for seedlings. So I need a lot more space. I haven't got enough tabletop space, so I've made these two A-frames, and I might swap it around a bit because it's just I've just done this from scratch, so no plans, nothing. But I do notice here I've got a really bent bit of timber here, so I'm going to have to cut another one. So yeah, I'll pre-drill some holes and then I'll start to try and put it together. Here I changed the design a bit and lowered the top tier. I'm making the inserts. They're out of old roofing battens. I'm making them upside down, trying to get them as straight as possible, not worrying too much, and just putting them together with screws. There's 3 on the bottom and I've made 2 for the top tiers. So my project is completed. Yeah, I wanted to make something that I could use for my strawberries in the spring and also for putting seedlings on and pots on, etc. And I wanted it to be movable, so I can easily get in here, just pop it on my shoulders and move it across, which is great. Yeah, so this is it all coming together. I can put this bar in the middle, and then I've made a lot of little slatted bits to fit in at the top, and then across here. So that's its maximum storage space. And of course, being able to take them out will let the light in if I want to grow something different underneath. But in the hot summer, when I want to grow, or late spring when the strawberries are ready, I can have my lettuces under here and they'll be quite happy. So I've made those. I actually put some wood treatment on them. So, you know, once you've made this sort of big effort, I just wanted to make sure it lasts a bit longer, which is and a bit more attractive as well. So, and on the end I put some nails in. I'm always losing stuff, so especially these roses, so and scissors, so I've got a little hanging thing which is easy to take everything off. Yeah, so my strawberry planters, which I don't have at the moment, they're a metre long and they're about 8 inches wide, so I can fit in total 8, and then my seedlings, I can fit 6 of these seedling trays across the top and a few down here. Now 6 seedling trays is a potential of over 450 plants, so that's brilliant. So I'm really pleased. It's 7 foot long, it's less than 5 foot high, and it's lightweight. So yeah, I had the strawberries in hanging baskets, but it's difficult to keep an eye on the actual moisture and feeding and looking after, so they'll be much more accessible at this height, and being tiered they'll still get lots of light. So yeah, pleased with that one. And yeah, my tunnel, it's just over 18 foot by 40 foot long, so fantastic growing space. So I just want to use it to its full potential, and this sort of is a little bit of vertical planting in a way. So yeah, and it's made. All these slack bits were recycled. Unfortunately the wood wasn't. I had this wood around, but it was bought wood. But that all lasts a long time, and it's just screwed together, so it's so easy to undo if I change the design. So thanks for watching everyone, and see you soon.